Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to invite other users on ClickUp application. So how to invite other users on ClickUp application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. This is the initial screen of the ClickUp app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap the settings icon. Tap Invite User. Enter the email of the user you want to invite. Once finished, tap Invite. So that's it, tutorial how to invite other users on ClickUp application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.